Creating professional videos in 2024 has never been easier. Today's AI video tools handle everything, from complex video edits to multilingual avatars and immersive animations, without needing a large production crew. Let's dive into three of the top AI video tools making waves: FireCut AI, HeyGen, and Pika AI. Let's start with FireCut AI, an advanced plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In 2024, FireCut AI continues to lead in streamlining video editing with new automated features. Alongside its well-known silence cutting and speaker transitions, FireCut now offers dynamic zoom cuts that automatically add depth to key moments in a video, making it visually engaging. The tool has also improved its captioning capabilities, providing support in over 50 languages, an essential feature for global audiences. Imagine you're editing a podcast episode with multiple speakers. FireCut's AI-driven camera switching now adapts even more seamlessly, automatically adjusting the focus as speakers change. This level of automation allows editors to move quickly through complex projects, making high-quality edits more accessible, even for less experienced users. Although no specific updates are mentioned, FireCut is frequently updated, with its user-friendly interface and reliable support continually praised by its growing user base in 2024. Now, let's talk about HeyGen. For creators looking to generate personalized video content without appearing on camera, HeyGen has been a standout tool in 2024. This platform focuses on creating AI-powered avatars capable of delivering content in 175 languages, ideal for companies reaching global audiences. Users can create custom avatars that mimic real facial expressions, enhancing relatability and audience engagement. HeyGen's AI avatars are being used by brands and educational platforms alike, offering a unique solution for multilingual video tutorials, product demos, or personalized marketing. In 2024, HeyGen is expanding its customization features, allowing avatars to be tailored further to reflect diverse personalities and aesthetics. While no new release dates have been confirmed, the updates bring HeyGen closer to creating fully dynamic, responsive digital avatars, making it a go-to tool for brands looking to create consistent multilingual content. Lastly, there's Pika AI, a tool setting new standards for interactive video experiences. With its latest version, Pika 1.5, Pika AI enables creators to craft visually rich videos using 360-degree shots and high-quality animations. In 2024, Pika AI has refined its visual effects library, adding realistic lighting and shadow options to make animations and virtual scenes appear more lifelike. This tool is particularly valuable for industries like marketing and tourism, where immersive dynamic visuals are a powerful engagement tool. Imagine producing a virtual tour or a product showcase with Pika AI's 360-degree feature. Viewers can now experience content interactively, feeling as though they're exploring the space themselves. This can be invaluable for creating high-impact video content that requires a deeply immersive effect. Although specific updates are ongoing, the platform is continually fine-tuned, ensuring it remains at the forefront of AI-driven video production. As we step further into 2024, tools like FireCut AI, HeyGen, and Pika AI showcase how artificial intelligence is making video production more efficient, accessible, and engaging. From seamless edits in Premiere Pro to fully customizable avatars and 360-degree video capabilities, these tools highlight the incredible potential of AI in modern video creation. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.